Sam with Chronic Raiders. Today I'm going to show you how to make this axe throwing target. Let's get started. First thing, let's get some 2x4s, or these are 4x6s, 10 foot long for the base, and then 2x6s for the target itself. 4x6s. These are 4 feet, 4 pieces of 4 feet. Then the leftover pieces, just 45 the edges. One's a little bit shorter than the other, look like it shrank over the years. I cut 8 2x6s at 4 feet, and then the last 2 little bits that I had that worked out, we're going to use as braces. Whoops. Alright, so we're going to drill through here, 2 screws. So we've laid out our 2x6s. We've lined them straight up. And okay, thanks, bud. Okay, line them straight up, and then what you're going to do is you're going to take other scrap boards and lay them in behind, okay, and then just simply drive 2.5-inch screw into the back of the wall. Hey, you're Sharpie. What we're going to do here is we're going to use 3.5-inch screws. We use 2.5 to secure the 2x6s together. We'll use 3.5 to put the 2x6s into the 4x6s. Okay, so I'll get this up, screwed in, and I'll give you a walk around. Okay, so this is it done. You've got 2x6s going straight up, 2x6s going across, just 2 of them. We got our 4x6s going straight down, across. We got a brace, and then right here you can kind of see I've notched it out for it to sit up against. I probably could cut this off here, but whatever. Here's a picture of the back side. That's it. As you can see, it's well used already, but works really well. All you have to really do is replace the 2x6s here in the front whenever they get worn to the point where the axe keeps falling out of them or goes through them. Check me out next time. See ya.